Hey, it's Doug from Rise Above Performance Training, and I have another full body workout for you. Let's check it out. So I did another video with a full body workout where it consisted of blocks of an upper body block, a lower body block, a core round, and a dynamic block. So if you haven't checked that one out, check it out up there. I'll put a card and a link so you can check it out. This one's very similar as we have 2 exercises for each block. The first exercise will be a 1-rounder or an alternating, and the second exercise will be a single side. So to start with the upper body block, we're going to start on the ground. I'm going to use a kettlebell, but you can use a dumbbell or a medicine ball. We're going to do pullovers and a floor press. So I'll be on the ground here. For a pullover, you can have your legs straight, which is a little harder, or knees bent, or one. I'll keep them bent. I'll flatten my belly button, and I'm going to control down, keeping my belly button flat. And let's do 3 reps here. Then I'll roll aside safely, and I'm going to do my floor press. So I'm going to bring the bell in. Again, I can have my legs straight. Let's go straight on this one, and I'll press up. I'm going to control down, tap my tricep and up, and let's do 3. Again, I'll bring it down safely, bring it to the other side safely, and then I'll do 3 on the other side. And I'll bring it down safely. For the lower body block, we're going to do a series of deadlifts. So I'm going to do an alternate arm deadlift, but you can do a conventional one or a 2-leg RDL as well. So for an alternate, I'm just going to drop down, I'll lock down, and switch. And let's do 4 total. Now for the single side, I'm going to do a single leg RDL, one of my favorite exercises. So I'm going to hold the bell on the side where the leg goes back. I'm going to hinge at the hip, reach back, keep everything on its own side, and stand up. So again, trying to keep everything on its own side, balance. I'll just do 3 on each side. And then I'll switch. So you want to stay nice and balanced. If you're losing your balance, pause at the bottom. And there you have it. So for the next one, you can use a small kettlebell. I'll use a medicine ball. And we'll do some Russian twists. So I'll have chest up, feet off the ground, glutes tight, and I'll just go side to side. Let's say, I do like 5 or 6. Then the single side, we're going to do a sit-up. And you can do either to the knee or the shin. So I'm going to stretch out long, much like my pullover. I'm going to keep my chest up, core tight, and I'm going to go to the knee. So let's say I do 3 on the knee. And then let's say this leg, I want to do the shin, so I'll go straight leg, keeping my chest up. And that's your core round. The last round will be dynamic. So we're going to do an alternating arm swing where we switch the hands at the top. So I'll bring it through and I'll keep this hand free and I'll switch. And let's do 6 total. Now for the single side, you can do a clean, or you can do a long cycle, or you can do snatches. So let's just do a clean. I'll do like 3 cleans on this side. So I'm going to hike it through, pull through. Maybe on the last one, I'll just do a little long cycle. That's the overhead part. And on the other arm, I'll do some snatches. All right, so there you have the full body workout. Now what you can do it for reps. So let's say you can do it for 10 reps, 12 reps, whatever you want. I like to do it for time, so you can put on a clock and go 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. You can change it up to 40 seconds or 20, 45, 15, whatever you want to do. The world is yours. Make this workout your own. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it down below. Please also consider subscribing. I should put a new video out every week or so. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Rise above, we're gonna rise above. Make this what we say. Rise above, we're gonna rise above.